Hi, this is Michael Menduno with OZTek TV, and I'm here with my dear friend Paul Toomer, the CEO of RAID. We just had a fabulous talk about rebreather safety and bailout. Paul, I've been on a lot of boats and seen people with sketchy bailout.
Yep.
Just like, is that enough, really?
Yeah.
I know you've addressed this. Talk to me a little about that.
So basically, in my talk, I address number one, bailout valves versus DSV. I also spoke about mouthpiece retaining straps and how they can combat, add to the level of safety to your rebreather.
Yep.
But mostly I was talking about bailouts, marking the bailouts and carrying adequate bailout, and utilizing the bailout for different jobs as well.
Mm-hmm.
And I spoke about team bailout. And then I guess the most interesting part is the bailout rebreather, which is something that we're all dabbling with at the moment, which is super, super exciting. And it's like a completely unknown world, isn't it? Because it is still pretty new, and we're exploring all the avenues of how to wear it, how to use it, how often should we jump on it, so it's pretty exciting.
You're looking pretty slick in your back mount Liberty with the side mount Liberty.
Yeah.
Very clean and
it's
a lot of capability. Right?
A huge amount of capability. So I've got the capability of wearing two side mount rebreathers or a back mount side mount rebreather. So so I've been experimenting with both, and I don't do stuff that really needs a side mount in it, wearing two side mount rebreathers, but the configuration is really sweet. You're very hydrodynamic, and it's pretty exciting. But the back side mount is just a dream to use. It really is. Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty interesting. Bill Stone, who's one of our presenters here, was talking about from '87 the first concept of having a dual rebreather. I think it was like 176, 80 kilos. And, but it started, and now it's becoming a thing.
Absolutely. I mean, on the expeditions I'm on, last time out, I think we had 3 or 4 guys in the water with side mount bailout rebreathers. And most of the manufacturers are looking at the option now because it's become very, very real. The other thing about the side mount rebreather is people who are pro side mount now have a valid rebreather option now.
That's right.
And KISS are doing it, and Liberty and various others are putting these super slick units together. So I'm obviously looking at your article that you sent me. Absolutely, it's absolutely amazing. I was looking at the first 5 photos, going, "Wow, those poor sods, right? All that gear." And then you look at me with now how engineering and technology has moved forward, and I'm just sitting in this tiny little rebreather on my back with a tiny little rebreather under my arm and one bailout. It's just absolute dream, isn't it? Yeah, it really, really is. Yeah.
We're in day 2, of course, of OZTek here. What have you seen that really got you excited?
As normal, it'll be Simon Mitchell. I think, and Dawn. I really enjoyed the talks are fantastic. The fact that we're here, isn't it amazing? I mean, I've not seen some of these people for 4 years. I've not seen you for how long, right? So the social aspect is absolutely brilliant. But listening to Simon talk and the research, and just validation of certain technologies and processes and medical guidelines and whatever is really, really amazing. And he's so crystal clear. You're never left with a huge amount of ambiguity when you finished his talks, right? And they're also funny. So that's been what I've really enjoyed.
So people, there are 42 presentations, all of them amazing. On the on-demand package, it's 147 Aussie, $99 US. I know for one, I had to miss stuff because I'm running around, so I'm going to go home and sit on my couch and watch all of them.
Thanks, Michael.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.